Guys, welcome to Techie Talks. Today we are going to take a look at a software which helps you to make mind maps called mindmap.com. So let's open our browser and type in mindmap.com. Press enter. And now we have arrived at the mindmap website. You press get started and create a new map. So this is our dashboard where we will be creating a mind map. So this is the center node and this is from where your mind map starts. So I'll just type in maybe Techie Talks. And now as you can see here, the text is too small. So a small problem with this website is you can't make the text bigger or smaller, but instead when you bring out the cursor, just press anywhere, the center node fits around the word, and same with the other nodes. So now that we have our center node, we need some child nodes. That's the connecting clouds or maybe the rounds, whatever you can call it. So you press insert child node, and as you can see here, we have got an extension to our mind map. So I might just type in techie and I press outside and it's fit. And now I'm going to explain a mistake that most people make, which is that sometimes you might want more than one node, obviously, for your mind map, and some people end up selecting this child node and pressing child node, and some people might not need this as of now and they might need it in a later stage. So what should you do to remove this accidental child node? So first of all, you just press in something like pressed in something and press outside, and as you can see here, this undo button has become blue. So you press that undo button, and as you can see here, when you pressed it, you can see that accidental child node is gone. So you select the center node and now press child node to get a second child node. So I might just press in yes, again select no, and maybe I might select techie and put child node, and there's an extension to that child node. I just put an extension. So yeah, so this is my mind map now. So now you might want to color maybe your center node. So you press change node style. So first you can change your background. You can choose any of these colors to change your background. I'm going with an orange. And next you can choose a color for your text. So you press that and you can choose any of these colors for your text. I'm going with a yellow. And they also show you a preview of how your center node will look like, or the node you selected will look like. You press OK. So now as you can see here, it has become colored. Now let's color this extension. Change node style, background, maybe a green, and the text can be a bit of blue. And in the preview, it shows the green background with the blue text. I'm convinced, and I press OK. So yeah, we have colored our mind map. Say it's too small, like the text is too small and you want to zoom in, like you might not be able to see it very clearly. So you press zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and then you might think it's too big. I want to see a bit from far. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, and you might have stuff all the way till here, so you can zoom out and see how it looks like overall. So now that we have completed our mind map, we might want to save it somewhere so that we can look back on it or do changes to it later. So you press publish and you just press start. This is actually just for mindmap gold users, which you have to pay money for. So you just press start, publish for 6 months. The 6 months doesn't matter, it will be there all the time, but you just need that link or maybe a button like share on social networks, or the link like this, or the embedded code, or the archive. So I'll just take this link and I'll just select that, and now I'll press right click. Right click is the button on the right side of the mouse, or maybe the trackpad. So you press that and you press copy. So another problem with this website is that you can only get buttons or links like this. You can't get the physical mind map and post it somewhere or copy paste it. So I'm just going to go to Word, blank document, and you again do the right click and you select paste, and now it has come. But when I select this and right click, that is how you follow a link, you can see that there's no open hyperlink button which you use to open a hyperlink. So what we need to do to insert the link is press this button near link and you press insert link. You just go OK, and now the link is there. So you can just select, right click, and you can press open hyperlink, and now it shows our mind map. But a small problem is that you can't edit this mind map, it's just for viewing. So yeah, we'll just go back to our Word file there, and there you have it. So that's how you bring mind map into your Word document, or if you need it in a PowerPoint, you can copy paste it there. But if you're not satisfied with the link and you want a mind map on maybe a Word document or on a PT, you can watch any of my older videos for how to use Word and how to use PowerPoint, where I will be showing you the shapes usage on Word and PowerPoint, which you can use to make a mind map on your Word or presentation. So that's the end of our video today. Hope you liked it and hope it helps you to make a mind map. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.